Hi, my name is Leah, and in this video, I am going to demonstrate exactly step-by-step how to grow your OnlyFans account fast. Extremely fast. And if you're wondering how fast, I'm talking $1,000 per day in just 48 hours fast. So if you want to grow your OnlyFans account fast right now, then keep on watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you're getting any value out of this. But you have to promise me one thing, and that promise is you have to like and subscribe if you are getting any value out of this. Got it? Okay, cool. Moving on. So it's no secret that OnlyFans is a great way to make additional money on the side. But what most people don't understand is it is also a great way to make a full-time income while working part-time. This video is dedicated for those who want to make a part-time income and for those who want to take this even further and grow their accounts to 5 or 6 figures every single month. Now, I've been hearing a lot of talk about using Twitter and Reddit to grow your OnlyFans account. And I am here to tell you that while it may work for some, it is not the only way and it is not even the best way to grow your account for OnlyFans in 2021. So right now, I'm going to show you exactly how I grew my account from $2K per month to $20K per month in just 30 days. And I did this by using only one social media platform. Yes, I only used one social media platform, and I bet you could guess what it is. So right now, type in the comments what you think it is. Go ahead, I'll give you a few seconds. Alright, so if you guessed TikTok, then you guessed correctly. Go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back. And if you didn't guess TikTok, then shame on you. Because that's all I've been talking about in my past videos. I use TikTok to generate hundreds of fans every single day in the month of January. So why I use TikTok is because it is super easy to go viral on TikTok. I created a brand new TikTok account on February 6th. And then by February 8th, I generated over 8,000 followers on TikTok. It only took me 48 hours. As you can see, zoom in, do whatever you have to do so that you can see this. And as a result of generating these 8,000 followers on TikTok in just 48 hours, and the majority of them followed my Instagram and then off of my Instagram found my OnlyFans link and subscribed. So on February 6th, my OnlyFans account only generated $84. But by February 8th, I was generating over $1,000 per day just from this one TikTok account. So yes, it is possible to grow your OnlyFans account to over $1,000 per day just by using TikTok. As you can see, it only took me 48 hours to start generating over $1,000 per day. And this isn't my first time doing this. So a lot of you are probably wondering what kind of content I post on my TikTok. Well, it's simple. All I do is copy trends.
New she bad as hell, she got long hair. Bitch got a big booty, yeah, I gotta stare. Mama always told me I was different, I ain't got no fear.
So I am a TikTok consumer, so every single time I see an easy TikTok video that I feel like I could recreate, I just send it to myself, and then whenever I have the time, I recreate them. It's that simple. I took it even one step further. I created a program that you can join and follow step by step on how I grew my account to over 20K per month in just 30 days. This is no BS. Here's the proof right here. As you can see, in November and December, I was making less than 3K per month. But when you see January, you see a huge jump. And mind you, this is after OnlyFans takes their 20% cut. So this strategy works, and here's some more proof. So right now, a lot of OnlyFans creators are giving you information that worked 6 to 9 months ago. I'm showing you what works right now in 2021. I just did this less than 2 weeks ago. And again, here's the proof. In fact, in January, I was able to grow my main TikTok account from 400 followers to almost 70,000 followers on TikTok. Here's more proof. And I hope you guys don't think that I'm being egotistical. I just know that a lot of people who claim that they can do this and that, but they don't actually show the proof, So I just want to be as transparent as possible. If I talk about it, I'm gonna show you guys, just so you know that I'm the real deal. Also, in February, I did the same thing. I'm also gonna be creating a brand new TikTok next week. So if you wanna follow all of my new TikTok accounts and see exactly what I'm posting, click the link in my description, join my program, and you can follow my exact process step by step. Otherwise, good luck on trying to grow your account using outdated information on Twitter and Reddit. Most of you guys don't even use Reddit. At least most of you already use TikTok. So just join the other side, become a creator. And watch, you'll see your OnlyFans account grow faster than you ever would have believed. So right now, you have two options. You could keep on following this outdated information. I hear they work really well. Or you could follow a fail-proof, step-by-step strategy that I just used less than 2 weeks ago and use every single day in 2021. So if that sounds like something that you want to do, then click the link in my description and I will give you the blueprint. That is all, everybody. My name is Leah and I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Wait. You promised. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You said that if I gave you value, then you would like and subscribe. So, did I give you value? That's a no-brainer. Of course I did. So drop that like and subscribe to my channel so you can get notified when I drop my next video. And trust me, if you want to be successful in this industry, you want to be the first one. So if you want to be the first ones, then hit that bell button and get notified as soon as my videos are released. And this will ensure that you are one of the first people to implement this information that I am dropping every single week. So that's it. Thanks for watching again. And don't let me catch you not subscribing to my channel.